Alright, so let's just jump into the next tool then. If we open a new tab here. Oh, look at that, my favorite artist. Alright, so let's say we go to Google here. And I'm going to be showing you tools within the Byte framework. And Byte, in this case, stands for Browser Integrated Testing Environment. This is a plugin that anybody who uses Chrome can download and instantiate into Chrome. And this effectively allows anybody to become a tester. This is in fact what Dogfood users at Google use for testing browser functionality at home. So the first tool that I want to show you is the record and playback tool. So this guy will open up this little doohickey right here. And what this does is actually it's quite similar to Selenium if any of you guys have used that for Firefox. And so it'll record my actions and allow them to be played back in automated tests. So I can start recording my interactions with the browser right now. As you can see, as I move around, it highlights everything that I'm focusing on. And so let's say that I want to search Google is the best company in the world. Alright, so it searched that. And by the way, you can check back here and you can verify here that it does in fact record everything that I'm doing here so that it can play that back automatically. Now let's say we want to make a verification point because you're probably going to want to do that for testing. And so let's say we want to make sure that this guy right here shows up. So if I right click on him, go back to this page, you can see that a validation tool has popped up and has a whole bunch of really boring options that you can mull over. But anyways, you can save this and you can see that it's made a verification point within my JavaScript code, and this allows it to be played back. Now for lack of time we're not going to play it back, but you can stop recording, play it back whenever you want. I just want to jump into the next tool real quick now, and I guess for this one let's go to the world's most popular social networking site, Google+. Right. Okay. So the next one that I want to show you on the Byte framework is reporting a bug. Now if you see that I click that, it again allows me to highlight everything that I'm going through on the page, and then I can make a bug for any particular highlight there. So let's see if we can find a bug here on this page. Okay, let's see. This what's hot button, I imagine if I click this it should take me to my page. That makes sense anyways. Okay, well that's odd. I guess, this is my page. Kind of strange that, that's misleading, you think? I think that's a bug actually. Okay, let's report it as such. So let's report this bug. What's hot did not bring me to my own page. Surely it should. And let's bug that. Alright, so let's see what I can do here. The final tool is bugs, and this allows you to see any of the bugs that you've filed for a particular page, for a particular developer. And so you can see all the bugs that I filed for this page. If I have overlay selected, then it shows an overlay of the different bugs that I have. So on this stream, for example, I saw this and I'm like, this is a website, not a river. There should be no stream here. Maybe that should be newsfeed or something, and find people. Why would I want to do that on a social networking website? And of course it shows me on my own bug. And this allows you to go through and resolve bugs and just see what different Dogfood users have come up with. So let's say this issue right here, I want to resolve it. And you can add a comment there. Now when I submit it, that bug, instead of being red, will slowly turn yellow. Now if I were to follow the exact same process again on the same bug, it would turn green. And that would basically effectively resolve the issue. Now, the final testing tool that I want to show you guys before this is done, I can't actually show you guys because this is super secretive stuff, and so I'll just show you a screenshot instead. This one is called QualityBots, and essentially what it does is it's a testing tool for Google Chrome in the browser, and it just checks differences between versions. So what it does is it goes and finds the 10,000 most popular websites on the internet, and it goes and views them within the older version of Google Chrome. and then it views the same websites using the newest version of Google Chrome. And it goes and sees if there's any differences at all between the outputs between them. And if they're the exact same, then, well, that's not bad at all. If there's a 99% similarity between them, that likely means that the only difference was due to ad changes. As they get more and more changes, you can see, oh, that might be a problem. And Dogfood users, who these tests are uploaded to, they can go to the page manually, and the tool will automatically highlight any of the changes between the different versions, and they can make bug reports according to those. So that's a very useful tool, and I hope you guys enjoyed all the tools that we started to describe here. And it makes me really happy to work at Google because we do such awesome stuff. And I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Questions?